Right now at 6, we are getting new details in the death investigation of 25-year-old Shanquella Robinson. She's the Charlotte woman who mysteriously died while on vacation in Mexico. The Department of Justice announcing that it will not seek federal charges in her case. As for possible suspects in this investigation, it's still unclear. We do know Mexican authorities have filed an arrest warrant for one of the friends on that trip, but more than 5 months later, no one has been arrested. Today, lawyers and Shanquella's family spoke about the investigation and the decision we just heard from the feds. Our Jesse Pierre joins us now with what they had to say in response.
Although they are disappointed by this decision, they do believe there is still a chance to get justice for Shanquella, and they are also still pushing for the White House to intervene.
We're disappointed, but we're not deterred.
Shanquella Robinson's family and legal team outraged after learning the Department of Justice and FBI Charlotte announced it will not pursue federal charges following the death of 25-year-old Shanquella Robinson. Attorney Sue Robinson slammed the agencies, saying the case was not taken seriously from the beginning.
There's two different justice systems in America, and we know that in ours, we have to fight for our justice. We have to rally for our justice. We have to beg for the same constitutional rights, and Shanquella is doing that even in death.
An autopsy report done by Mexican authorities showed Shanquella had a broken neck and a severed spinal cord injury. The FBI says another one was done by a medical examiner in Mecklenburg County. They say from that, evidence does not support a federal prosecution. The Robinson family's attorney says she was told the cause of the death was undetermined or inconclusive.
We all have seen a video showing a brutal attack. It's not giving undetermined. It's giving there's a video and now you're telling us something else, not to believe our own eyes.
Attorney Robinson calling it a game of ping pong between all parties.
The FBI today said, well, we're not going to press charges, but Mexico could do something if they want to do. And if Mexico wants to do something, then it's no problem. We'll be fully cooperative with anything that Mexico wants to do.
The attorney still working to meet with White House officials.
Our belief has always been from the beginning that it's always going to be bigger than the local feds in Charlotte, that it's going to take a high level of diplomatic intervention because heads of state have to talk to heads of state. That's just the bottom line.
Robinson says there's still a possibility for a civil lawsuit in this case, and she adds that if there is no action taken by May 19, which marks 200 days since the death of Shanquella, they plan to schedule a march and rally in D.C. In Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.